There she is, right there at the bottom hole.
I think you made it too stable.
Yeah.
Oh, here it goes. It's shaking a little. She's gonna start running at it. River, get the kitty. Where's the kitty? Get the kitty.
Oh, I forgot I got pack 24.
Oh, she come on the right side. Oh, left side, left side.
Oh, it's shaking.
You should have left a little bit more of a gap in there.
No, I think you should make it a little less stable. It'll go down quicker. I don't have much space on my iPod. Go do it. Feel it. No, more on the edge. You stabled out the
build another stable structure.
Any second she's going down now. Starting to tackle the sides.
She's gonna jump.
I'm laughing, baby.
Flick the box.
Pull the other box out a little bit
She's
more.
got long arms.
Holy shit! That was a surprise!
She's got her hands in both holes.
She knocked the garbage over.
It might not though. Shit. A little less stable. No, move the you.
You're failing, fuck's sake!
It's too stable again.
Hold on.
We just want this cat to fail. Oh shit, she's going down. Oh shit. Any second.
How is that possible?
Oh shit, oh shit.
He's like, what the fuck was that?
And the survivor. Oh.
He's like, fuck this.
Oh my god, that